So everybody's talking about it. It's been on everybody's mind. It's the North American International Auto Show's answer to the traditional auto show. And we're out here at M1 Concourse in Pontiac. So buckle up, Buttercup. It's being called the future of auto shows. MotorBella 2021 is the catalyst to showcase all the best the auto industry can offer. The pageantry of the traditional car show is not lost on the new way things are being done. In fact, having the cars on display outside is not only safer, but offers off-road fun that four walls can't compete with. With thousands packing the M1 Concourse in Pontiac, there was something for everyone to enjoy. This year's show didn't just provide the average shop-to-you-drop experience. It came complete with a few heart-pounding moments that should be a prerequisite for future auto shows. The show is also packed with hands-on exhibits and more than 350 cars, trucks, and utility vehicles to boot. As if the cars and trucks weren't enough for all you four-wheel fans, why not try three wheels instead? This is the Corso California Reverse Trike. It's the brainchild of Lance Lamson. He's the lead engineer behind this single-seat concept. And the Flint native says this is not your average trike.
A lot of the ones on the market right now are catered to two people, so you see them side by side. We went with the single seat. The whole ethos behind the project was to provide the F1 experience for the street, which is why the exterior design is the way it is, and that's why we stuck with the single seat. So really, when you sink down in the vehicle, it drives and feels and sounds like you're in an F1 car, but it's street legal.
Lance plans to take the Corso into production next year, so you've got a little time to place your order.